Hi guys, today I will be trolling as a bacon and Mortem Metallum. So I will act like I'm a bacon that has no Robux at all. But really, I have this baby. Yeah. So, and also, even if they try to say that I'm abusing the chainsaw, guess what? I will still destroy them either way. No sir. No. You made an attempt, buddy. Oh yeah, hi, mister. I know you. Right. Oh. Huh. Well, okay, that's fine. Um, 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 uh, Actually, he's gonna really quickly end his life first. No. 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 I'm too much of Mr. Bacon Boy. Epic. I know that's not how you spell epic. Wee. Living Cone Man. Huh? I wanna go end a Cone Man's life. Wow. He made an attempt to try and end me. But he sorta just like failed a bit. Yeah, you're obviously alive. Who is he talking to though? Look at it dude, look at it dude. I kinda, really quickly, took his head. No. No. I will rule this earth. Decapitate. Oh my god. That wasn't me, buddy. I got Mr. Bacon Boy. I think they, saw that, so, oh my god, I was thinking that's somebody's. Salty. You're mad. This dude's mad at me. He's so mad. I'm gonna go really quickly to end his life. You know, that's just the way things work. Ah! I got hit. Man down, man down. Ruh-roh, buddy. Buddy miss. Okay, boomer. That was very surprisingly clean. I expected that to be worse. How? 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 He big hack. This boy big hacking. Whew. E. Speak the truth. E. Ruh-roh. Ruh-roh. Ruh. Okay, 4. He tried. Like, he was like, oh, bad idea. You better not charge at me just because I'm low. If you do, no ma'am. No ma'am. Don't make me eBay you. I don't know. I don't know, just some random thing that came out my mouth. eBay. That's some scary noob there. He just kinda said hello to me for no reason. There's a noob. There's a noob. What a gamer. Legendary. I'm gonna stalk him. I have the stupid. Yes, you do, sir. Yes, you do. That's sad. That's very, very sad. Don't kill me while I'm wrecked. This one's scary, dude. Spooky man. Ugly boogly. He fell. So stupid. How do you fall? Like you're coming at me, and you've got this huge pad of area, and you just walk backwards and you fall. How does someone do that? I heard someone open it. Ooh. Yeah, he's gone. No. No, ma'am. I think. An epic gamer. This dude is amazing. Epic penguin. Penguin. Penguin man. Fast, speedy guy. Raggy. Whoa. Oh no. Vampirus. Vampirus be mad at me. He's mad that I'm acting like a bacon. Do because he's an angry little man. Angry gamer. Ruh-roh. Why? You attacked me first. How am I bad? Whoever tried to attempt that really sucks at aiming. Which spammer is trying to attempt? Salty. This dude's mad. Robux. Robux. Nah. You're just bad. I'm not bad when I have this. Technically, either way, I'm still not bad, but you know. Don't kill me! Oh no, they're all being mad. They're being mad about each other killing each other, so... Why? Get sniped. I hate snipers. In this game, snipers are literally the most annoying thing ever. Gamer. Wait, doesn't it kind of sound like crawfish claws? By the way, that's my username. Whee! Nightwing. What kind of name is Nightwing? Look at this do, look at this do, look at this do, look at this do, look at this do. No. Ah, oh god. That scared me. Run him over. Yodi. You die. Yodi. I'm Yodi Man. Hey guys. Today we're playing Yodi here. What row? Just me. Who do I go after? Okay, him. Dating is so sad. Like, how do you just wait here until someone comes after you and you just go boop? That's sad. Team boy. Hi. How? I'm just gonna really quickly pull a break in there. Be like gamer. Yodi. No, team boy. No. No, you. Well, why do you have a. You're probably a kid, and yet you. On your avatar. What were you doing in there, sir? What were you doing in there? See? He sabotaged us. Sabotages. Loser. Okay guys, well, I'm gonna end the video off right there, so goodbye.